Hello guys, it's my birthday, so today I have a very special video for all you guys. It is obviously going to be very informative and very useful, so make sure you are hanging till the end of the video. That extra smile is just because of when it's your day, you feel so happy about it, and when you had such a good time, so you definitely feel good about it. That's what I'm feeling about it, and that's why there's so much of smile. There's a different spark or that energy in my voice. That's just because of the good times which I was having from last few hours. So what I'm going to talk about today. Today I'm here to talk on something which is the need of the hour, according to my opinion, and that is let's just swap savings with investment. Let's just stop that traditional concept of saving and let's replace it, or I would say completely erase that saving and just write new words called as investment in your life. And it need to be in everyone's life, especially the ones who are earning. For them it is mandatory, guys. I know there are many issues. How to do investment, it's so difficult, it's difficult to save. So that's the reason I'm going to share my story of how I am investing. Because after hearing my stipend amount, because obviously I'm in articleship, so I'm doing internship, I'm not doing a job. So obviously the stipend amount is very low. If I can do in that amount, trust me, you will have that belief that even you can do in a much larger amount than that. So it all started in 2017. Okay, guys, when I started my internship. So for the first year, my stipend was 4,000. At that time, cryptocurrency, especially the Bitcoin, was getting famous. It almost reached 15 lakh for one Bitcoin at a time. So I was observing all that stuffs. I was earning 4,000 and I knew I have to invest. I didn't believe in saving. I believed in investing. And there is a reason behind that. It will come in the later part of the video. First, I want to give you that strategy, how you can also invest some amount of your salary. So my stipend was only 4,000, okay? And I come from a very humble financial background, okay? But still, I knew one thing, and that is I have to make an investment out of it. So what I did, since the amount was 4,000, so I said to myself, somewhere at least maximum 15% of my salary should go as an investment. 15%. That is 600 rupees. So what I used to do was I used to invest in cryptocurrency. Before starting with share market, I started with cryptocurrency. I still have my funds locked there. And that is what you call investment, right? You ensure that you are locking up that fund for years. It will help you in the time where you would be feeling like too much in need of funds. At that time, investment helps you. In the next year, my salary stipend became 5,000. I increased the percentage. I took it to 20%, my investment amount. After then, what I started was mutual fund SIP, which is the best option. If you are looking for investment, mutual fund, especially if you are beginners, even if you belong to arts, science, whichever field, it doesn't matter. If you are a beginner, if you want to invest, mutual fund SIP is the place from where you need to start. Trust me, it is a beautiful place. Mutual fund are subject to market risk. But if you think of investment, you have to think of risk. Okay. So that is one thing. Every month, 1,000 rupees SIP. And I'm very content the decision which I took. And I'm so proud of myself, that I'm doing that. And I feel great about it. And I even want you to feel great about that. I would like to explain the science behind what helped me to invest despite having such a small stipend. It was pre-decided. It was preconceived. Like when I knew my stipend figure, I told to myself, 10, 15, 20% will go to investment. What we do generally, कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, बाद में देखते हैं. And we ended up either expending the whole salary or save a penny out of it. You need to preconceive that stuff. You need to pre-decide that. That yes, I'm going to invest 5%, 10%, 15%, whatever you feel comfortable. But then stick to that. Stick to that. And trust me, it will develop a habit and it will stay for life. And investment is the best option. Saving. Now I want to come to why investment, why not saving? Come on, guys. This time, 21st century technologies. There's so many things available on YouTube. You can study, you can go for investment because of that CAGR, compounded annual growth rate. Money, interest pay interest you get. That is one beautiful concept. If you go for savings, you get simple interest. If you go for investment, you get compound interest. That means a lot. The time value of money. It is what it is. You need to understand the time value of money. And that is the reason I feel you need to swap savings with investment and go for that. Start with mutual fund, start with SIP. If you ask my opinion, the top two, according to me, first one is Parag Parik mutual fund, long term fund. Second is Axis Blue Chip Fund. These two are amazing. You can invest in any one of them. If you want to know in which I've invested in Parag Parik because their portfolio is an amazing combination of Indian company as well as foreign companies. So just go for it, start investing, take that initial risk. You will fear initially, but trust me, there will be days where you will sit and pat your back that you took a decision and start investing. Come on, you have all the technologies, you have all the place available to read about the stuffs which you want to. YouTube, Google, everything is available. No more excuses, guys. Come on. This was something which I wanted to share it on my birthday. So that is why I'm taking this beautiful occasion of my birthday to share with you all. Let's swap savings with investment. If you like the video, do like it, guys. Don't hesitate for liking. If you feel like this should reach out to your friends, do share it. And if you feel like listening more to me, do subscribe to this channel. Show your love, guys. Show your love. Hashtag keep smiling. Hashtag stay energetic. Spread the good vibes. Thank you, guys.